favorite blue dress. Look at this big black hole. David, come here right now.
What is wrong, Emma?
Look at the iron, David. You burned my favorite dress.
Oh, I am so sorry.
I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I am very angry now. I am leaving the house. I am going to Grandma's house.
Emma, please stay and talk.
No, David. Goodbye, David.
Dad, why is the door loud? Where is Mom going?
Mom is very angry with me.
Is she coming back soon?
I do not know, sweetie.
Dad, do not be sad. Let's play together now. Look at my colorful blocks. This is very fun, see?
I feel very tired today. I cannot play right now.
Dad, why are you sad?
I made Mom very angry.
What did you do, Dad?
I burned Mom's favorite dress. I watched TV and forgot it. The iron was too hot.
The dress was on fire!
Oh no, that is bad! Yes, it is my fault. Mom was very angry.
Mom must be very sad, too. She went to Grandma's house. Dad, look at my doll. Let's play again, please.
Okay, let's try to play.
But I miss Mom already. The house is too quiet.
I miss her too, Tom. I feel very heavy here. I will sleep for a moment. I need to close my eyes.
Can we sleep too, Dad?
Just a short rest for me.
I will watch a cartoon. I will draw a picture. Dad is sleeping very fast. He looks very tired.
I feel hungry now, Anna.
Me too. I want food. My tum is making noises.
Dad, please wake up.
Dad, we are hungry.
Oh, is it time for dinner? Okay, I will cook something. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's look in the freezer.
What can we eat, Dad?
Oh, I see a chicken, but it is very hard.
It is very cold, too. It is like an ice cube.
I will break the ice. I will use this spoon.
Be careful with the chicken.
Oh, It's still intact.
It is not breaking at all.
Dad, please be careful. Maybe we need the stove?
Yes, fire will melt it. I will put it here. Now, we just wait.
This cartoon is very funny. Look at the silly cat.
I will sit here too. Just for 5 minutes.
Anna, do you smell that?
I smell something very bad. It smells like smoke.
Dad, what is that smell? Oh no, the stove! I forgot the chicken again!
I burned the chicken too.
The chicken is completely black. We have no food now. I am very, very hungry.
Don't worry, my little ones. I have a new plan. I will order a pizza.
Yay! I love pizza.
Hello? Pizza Palace? 1 big cheese pizza, please.
Yes, hurry! We are hungry!
Is the pizza here yet?
I am watching the door.
Look, the pizza is here!
Thank you very much, sir.
This pizza smells so good.
This pizza is very good. I like the melted cheese.
Yes, I feel happy now. My tum is full.
Oh no, look around, Dad. The house is very messy.
There are toys everywhere. There is flour on the floor. I will clean the floor.
Dad, my toys are there.
I will put them away. Oh, what is inside here?
Where are my blue cars?
I wish Mom was here.
Mom knows where everything is.
I miss Mom's big hugs. I miss her smile too. I have a great idea.
What is the idea, Dad?
We cannot stay sad here.
Dad, let's go pick up Mom.
Yes, let's go right now.
I will get my shoes.
I will say sorry properly.
We need a special gift.
Let's get some flowers.
Yes, red and yellow flowers. These flowers are for Mom.
She will love these.
Are you ready to go?
I am ready. Let's go. To Grandma's house, please.
We are almost there now. I feel very nervous, kids.
It's okay, Dad. We are here.
Let's knock on the door. I am knocking on the door now.
I hope Mom is not still angry. She will love these flowers, Dad.
Who is there at this hour? Cavids? Kids? Why are you here?
Emma, I am very sorry. I was very careless today. I am sorry about your blue dress. These flowers are for you.
We miss you so much, Mom. Please come home with us.
Oh, my sweet children. Come here and give me a hug.
Can you forgive me, Emma?
I was very sad about my dress. But I love my family more. Thank you for the beautiful flowers.
Does this mean you are coming home?
Yes, Tom. Let's go home together.
Yay! Mom is coming back!
I will do better from now on.
Let's get into the car.
Look, we are home again.
Oh my. The house looks different.
I tried to clean the floor, but I am not very good yet.
It is okay, David. We can do it together.
I will help at home every day. I will clean the floor again.
I will help too, Mom. I will wipe the kitchen table. I will wash the small dishes.
Thank you for helping, David. Thank you, Tom and Anna.
I am working very hard now. The floor is very shiny.
I am wiping the table carefully. The dishes are very clean now.
Our house looks very clean today.
It feels much better now.
Now I will cook a real dinner.
No more burned chicken, I promise.
Dinner is finally ready. It smells like yummy soup.
Everyone, please sit down.
Wow, this food is great.
You are the best cook, Emma. I feel very happy now. Me too, Tom. My tummy is happy.
Yes, Tom, I am happy too.
Family is the most important thing.
I love our family very much.
We love you too, Mom and Dad.
See you in the next video.